Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Daily Goodie Box. This is a website where you can join for free. You fill out a profile, and if you're selected, you receive a goodie box. So there's a bunch of samples and full-size items in here, and you just review them, and that's all there is to it. So that's what the card says on the inside. You got a goodie box. Please enjoy all the free samples and full-size products. Remember to log in and share your thoughts on everything in the box. So let's see what we got this month. Ooh, I see some tea. I love tea. So this is from Teapigs, British classic. Rhubarb and ginger. Bet that tastes interesting. So there are 2 in here to try. We also have BrightDay, Freedom from a Hangover. That's cool. There's 2 of those as well. Pretty neat. Also have all natural short-term sleep aid. Wake up refreshed, non-habit forming and drug free. I don't have any problems sleeping, but my brother has a very hard time sleeping. So I'm going to pass this on to him and see what he thinks about that. Because I am one tired mama. It does not take much for me to fall asleep. Next up, oh, Trust Fund Beauty. Definitely a brand I know. I've gotten lots of nail polishes from like Birchbox and Ipsy. This is extra guac. Oh, that's funny. This is a pretty green color, I assume. Ooh, yes. That's lovely. That'll look good on my nails. Reminds me of Halloween and fall time, so I'm excited for that. Also have some food. This is it WOLO? Protein WanderBar. Peanut butter road tripper. This is 210 calories. Let's see, how much protein? 15 grams, not bad. Love getting the food samples. Ooh, Mike Tyson, that's funny. So this is an energy drink, I think? Iron Energy. Mojito. Ugh, drink chilled. I'm excited for that. Never saw that before, so that's something new to me. Also have the Granpa soap. Witch Hazel shampoo and conditioner. Clarifying shampoo and conditioner. It says it has lavender flower in it. Let me take a smell of this. I bet it's good. I love lavender. I like a lot of like natural scents. Oh yeah, you could definitely smell the lavender in that. That's nice. Excited for that. Next up, RunGum. Free samples, say 20%. There's caffeine, sugar-free, and B vitamins in here. This equals can of soda or some coffee. Cool. And let's see, the last thing, is this actually like a box of fruit bars? Cool. There's 5 bars in here. I have had these as well. This one is the apple and blueberry kind. I haven't had that kind. But that's literally all that's in there. They don't put any sugar additives, none of that. So it's something I try to get Jackson to eat. Cool. I love that. That's awesome. And then we normally do get some advertisements for some of the companies that are in here. So here's the Granpa soap. And here is information. Ooh, that looks good. About the protein bar. The ingredients, the different kinds, mint and cocoa. Mint chocolate, peanut butter. Cool. So that is what I got. If you guys are interested, I'll leave all their information below so you can sign up and make a profile, and maybe you'll be lucky enough to win one of these boxes. I do know that if you follow their social media, they give out boxes on there, and I've had people comment below and say that's how they got boxes. So that is a good way to try to earn one. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.